Hello everyone, my name is Nien-Ti from National Yangming Jiaotong University. I would like to share AI-assisted pre-correction for 3D printing research result. Due to the complexity, 3D printing model has really big error. You can see that red is swelling and green is shrinking, so the accuracy only has 70%. So we use 16 printing results to train AI to generate the original design. AI model used here is Patch 3D unit because it's suitable for learning 3D features. And input here is we use Patch. It can reduce memory requirement. We also input position information to make AI to learn printing location effect. When we're really using the AI, we input original design and to make the AI to pre-correct error. So the error during the actual printing process will make the printing result close to original design shape. The result shows that the average error is less than 1%, so it's really good and successful. Thank you.